Hello, it's Asta. Today we're going to be acclimating 12 tissue culture plantlets. I've got 6 Alocasias, 3 Monsteras, 2 Syngoniums, and 1 Philodendron. It's my first time doing this, but we'll find out how it goes. Acclimation is when you take a plant clone out of a sterile environment and introduce it to soil in a high humidity enclosed space so it can adjust. Tissue culture itself is when a plant is cloned in a laboratory in a sterile gel medium, so it grows with 0 pests, diseases, and is completely contained. But that also means these plants have never dealt with open air, real soil, or fluctuating humidity. So this next part is where they either make it or they don't. They recommend you wait 24 to 48 hours for the plants to acclimate to your home temperature before you open the bags. I got mine in the mail 80 hours ago, but I haven't done it yet because I've been waiting for some potting supplies. And they still look fine, just there's like some dying leaves. I don't see any root rot, I think. I'll find out when I open them for real. But there are like only 2 of them that look cloudy. So like this one you can see is like clear gel, whereas like this one's starting to get cloudy. I heard that once it's like starting to get cloudy, that means there's like, it's not sterile inside anymore. So there's just like 2 that are starting to become cloudy. But I think they're fine because this one's leaves are starting to look very sad, but I see 1 healthy leaf, so I think it's fine. We'll find out. These are a list of tools I'm going to be using. I've seen people use distilled water, but I didn't feel like going out to buy it, so I'm just using filtered tap water. We're going to do the acclimation steps now, and I'm going to show you how they turned out 7 days later. The first step is to take the plantlet out of the bag and thoroughly wash it so all the agar gel comes off. And you're going to try and wash it 2 to 3 times to make sure the roots have no gel left on them. Otherwise, there's higher chances of the whole plantlet rotting. You can also use some sterilized scissors to cut off any dying leaves or rotting roots, but I just used my fingers because I already had gloves on. And once you think it's clean, you just pot it up. I used 50% perlite and 50% frugal-stratum. And since the plants are coming from a 100% humidity environment, you're going to want to have a pot that you can cover completely so that the environment is 100% humidity. I had a lot of extra space in my dome, and 2 of my Alocasia plants gave 6 corms. So here I am planting 5 Alocasia green velvet corms and 1 Alocasia scalprum. There are some affiliate links in the description if you want to buy any of these things. I recorded this on the first day, so I don't know if any of mine died yet, but now we know if waiting 80 hours to take them out of tissue culture or using filtered tap water matters. I hope you're more confident in tissue culture after watching this, because I did this for the first time, so if I can do it, you can do it too. And I hope all your plant babies survive. I do sometimes have plants and sustainable products for sale, so if you want to check my website, you can. I feel like my videos have all been a little bit robotic because they're all tutorials, but I'm trying to show my personality a little bit more and feel more comfortable around the camera, and I think that can only happen during little yaps like this. Also, I'm trying to open a farmer's market stall by March, so if you want to see more of that content, subscribe. Okay, bye.